everyone, hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel. कैसा जा रहा है आपका ये week? How is everything in your life? Please do let me know. Please interact with me through the comments. Alright, so for those who are new to this channel, today's video is still going to be really helpful for them because today what I'm going to talk about, it is really deep and it is going to be covering a very crucial part of everyone's life. So even if you haven't watched the videos till date, though it is a series on mindfulness, still you will be able to understand and follow what I have to tell you today. So today's topic that I'm going to talk about is that how you can overcome your pain and sadness through mindfulness. Yeah, so again, as I always say, for mindfulness, you do not have to be of a particular age. Any person of any age can follow it, can understand it, can take benefits out of it. So no matter what your age is, let's dive into it. Now my very first request to all of you here is, now if you are planning to listen ahead, you have to be fully present here because this is the most important thing about mindfulness. And if you're able to understand, because it is going to be really deep, so you have to implement it in your life. Yeah, so let's start into it. Let's dive into it. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. So I can understand and I can totally relate to it that pain is inevitable to everyone. At some point of time we all undergo certain situations that give us immense pain, and most of the time what we do is we try and avoid it, which we should not do. We should heal ourselves instead of avoiding it, because if we are not healing ourselves, that pain is getting dissolved, it's getting settled in our body, which is going to reflect in our personalities, which is going to affect our relationships, which is going to affect people around us, which is going to affect our health, which is going to affect everything related, surrounded, or everything that is attached to us. It is going to affect each and everything. So let's understand, it's not a very simple process, as but I'll try and explain it to you in a simple 5-step process that you can do it. Trust me, each of these steps, the first one the most difficult one, the second will be a little less difficult one, but all of them have their own magic. If you follow them, it is going to immensely change your life. It is going to immensely help you to be a better person, to be a better version of yourself, and to move on with your life, to heal yourself and everything. Mindfulness is such a magical topic. Yeah, so let's understand the first important thing that you can do. So the very first thing that you can do is being aware and observe your situation. Right, so it is a very famous and a very important saying which is said that you have to feel it to heal it. Right, हम क्या करते हैं ना, we avoid. If we are having or going through certain बहुत बड़े losses भी होते हैं लोगों के, they undergo so much losses in their life, but what we do is हम उसको avoid करने की कोशिश करते हैं, which is wrong. First of all, we have to acknowledge that. Acknowledgement is very important, that yes, something has happened bad with me, I should acknowledge it and I have to let it go. I have to heal myself. Now for me to heal that pain, it is very important for me to understand कि ये pain exist भी करता है. This is the first thing you need to understand. Don't run from it. If you're running from it, it's not going to help you. It is going to create so much problems for you. So acknowledge the pain. Be aware of it and observe कि क्यों ये pain हुआ है. Observe everything. Try and understand yourself. Try and understand the situation. Go in depth. Cry your heart out. Feel that pain. This is the most important thing. Even if it's your fault, even if it's other person's fault, even if it's not anybody's fault, but it was written in your destiny, just cry your heart out. This is very important. Acknowledge that pain, understand that pain, go in depth, take But yes, again, here you don't have to take lifetime for this step. This step you should complete it in, for some people I would say it is going to take an hour's time, for some people it is going to take 2 hours time. 1 day at the max is enough for this step. 1 day is also so much, it's a huge time that I'm saying. Just half an hour's time, 2 hours time, अकेले जाओ, ऑब्जर्व करो क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, and done. Cry your heart out. एक बार you have cried out, it's done, it's over. Yeah. Second thing is, now you have to be non-judgmental towards it. Don't judge it. Just think it as a way that this was how it was meant to be. This is how it should be. Maybe something good is there in store for us because this particular incident happened or this particular thing happened. Even if there is nothing good, but this has to be happen. मतलब ये होना, this has to happen. मतलब ये होना ही था. You have no control over it. It's written over there. It's written in our destiny. Just accept it. Being completely non-judgmental towards it. Yeah, and give some self-love to yourself. That is the most important thing, you know. Don't expect love from outside. Just give love to yourself, you know. Forgive yourself, forgive whatever you did wrong, whatever was in your path, whatever was your fault, if there was any. And just love yourself. Just say that you are the best, you are fine, you are absolutely great. Whatever happened has happened. Now you have to live on with your life. You have to be happy, you have to survive, you have to smile, you're understanding the point. So this is how. First step, you have observed it, you have cried your heart out. Second step is you are non-judgmental towards it and you are embracing yourself, you're loving yourself, you're giving yourself self-love, that immense love. Don't expect that love. Yes, people will be there to love you, they are going to give you so much love, but that love I'm talking about, don't expect it from outside. For your self-healing, give yourself that love. Again, in last week episode I already told you that mindfulness is all about you, it is not about anybody else. So whatever I am saying, it is for you, it is to be done by you, it is just going to benefit you. सब आपको खुद से करना है. So self love is better than expecting love from anybody else. So give yourself that self love, permission to love yourself. Yes, once you fall in love with yourself, you'll see people around you are falling in love with you. You can't change it. Yeah, then accept the situation that this was to happen and this has happened. It's time for me to move on. मैंने रो लिया, मैंने खुद को प्यार दे दिया. I have accepted this thing. Now I am ready to move on with my life. I've accepted it. Next step is do some meditation and deep breathing. With this, I just thought, why not give you some. What I'll do is I'll end this video with a short guided meditation again for self-care, right? We'll do this. So next is when you have accepted the fact, accept this fact and let it, while we are breathing and while we are meditating, we are letting it settle within us, deep within our souls, that yes, now I have accepted it, this has happened, I cannot change anything about it, now it's time for me to move on. You are telling your soul to accept it and to move on. So it is very important for you to do, if not a lot, but little bit of breathing exercises and little bit of meditation, because self-love comes from these two major exercises, these two basic exercises, I would say. Yeah, and then you have to just move on with your life, self-express yourself, just love yourself, accept yourself, and just enjoy your life. Yeah, so thank you so much guys. I hope this helped you a lot. please do not indulge in any negative activities like smoking and drinking, because it is not going to help you. It is rather going to impact you very much negatively. So rather indulge yourself in meditations and breathing exercises. And I'm not saying that it is going to help you, instantaneously, or in 1 day or 2 days you're going to see results. It is a time taking process. Self-loving, giving self-attention, self-love is the most difficult thing that you can do in your life. But this thing, once you learn, this is the most amazing gift or the amazing thing that you can give yourself. Yeah. So just keep loving yourself. Just keep loving your mind and your soul. Just do some meditation, do some mindfulness exercise, make it a part of your life. Even if you're doing simplest exercises per day, even for a few seconds in a day, that's enough. Yeah. So I'll be meeting you guys in next video with my guided meditation of self-love. See you there. Bye.